Okay, think where we want to be, somewhere there. Drag some snow. Okay, so let's go about here. Just drag that down. Quite a bit of snow on this bit, so very pretty mental there. What are you thinking to snow, guys? I've got to go. See you later, Kenzie. Nice to see you. I can't believe how quickly this paint has come together. Yeah, I'm going like a mad one tonight, aren't I? I'm on it. Okay, let's go. There, pull down. And we'll go. Now, do I make this one come towards us? So I could do, we could sort of come about there. Come about there. Lightly dragging that there. Beautiful. Let's have this one coming towards us then. No pressure. Very lightly. What's that you're using? It's a palette knife, Ali. Thank you. So amazing, says Lisa. Thank you. Very steep mountain. Yeah, let's have it. Okay, with this one, we can think what we want over here. That one could come into that one. We could have a little bit of snow going that way. That comes right in front of that one. Look. Don't want to kill too much dark. Put some light on there. Okay. Let's go. This one's coming down towards that way. Meeting that one there. There, right, okay, so let's make up some darker for colour. Just a hint of that and a hint of this. With a little bit of this. And make that dark colour there, look, for the shadows. You see the difference there. Okay, let's go with that. It's quite a nice colour. Yeah, the snow just, you know, it really does make it. Let's hit that share button, guys. Share and copy link if you can. Got a little gift goal going on. Still got my subscribe going. We need one more subscriber for the 10. Keep tapping the screen. Thanks, guys. Much appreciated. Okay, let's put some little bits in there. So this is like the shadow colour going on now. And this will help. There's a little bit in there, look. And we're going to need some here. Let's bring it this way, this one. You can add some in, you can add some little, maybe there's a bit of a shadow in there. So adding this darker colour just gives you them, it just really helps with the, you know, you can scrape some if you can scrape some little dark patches in. It's quite nice, isn't it? Okay, so with the tops, let's have a look here. Let's get some pure white, and I just want to put some little pure white bits on the top. You can go right up the top there. Some little pure white bits. Oh, somehow I've picked up some red. I don't want red at the top of the mountain. I don't want red at the top of the mountain. Maybe there was something that got shot up there. I don't know. I don't know where I got that red from. Okay, just a little bit. There, here and there. Where has that red come from? Must have picked it up somewhere. I definitely don't want red at the top of the mountain. Definitely not. Definitely not. This is my favourite so far. Thank you very much. Okay. Just put some there. And you can put some little white things even in the shadows sometimes. A little bit of snow gathering there. Very quick melting, yes. Aisling, are you okay? Doesn't matter you're late, but thank you for being here. Much appreciated. Okay, let's mist this out. So we're just misting out. Clean off the brush a bit. Okay, let's create some mist. Just by tapping. Go right up. Going the same sort of way as the mountains are going. We're just misting that out. Thanks to everyone tapping the screen. It's amazing the depth the white can give. Absolutely, it's amazing, isn't it? Right, it's just. And another favourite part of mine is sort of that mist, doing that mist at the bottom. It's quite important. You can go right up, bring it right up, lift up. Just creating that little bit of mist. There we go. Aisling, do you want me to sign it on the left or right? This is beautiful, by the way. Thank you. Thank you, Mazzy. Have you been asleep? Oh, on the right, okay. Oh yeah, makes sense. Oh, don't, I'm covered in paint again. Okay, just a little bit more paint there. Right, this I don't know how long this will take, but obviously it normally takes, it depends if I've got the heating on. In the summer, I can't wait for the summer, I'm going to put them all in the garden. They'll be drying in 2 days. There you go, quite happy with the clouds actually as well. Clouds are just so nice to do. Aisling. Love this painting, thank you.